Hello and welcome back to today's morning report on Tuesday the 28th of April with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. I'm going to move on to euro dollar now, and the euro has it's had that sharp move higher on Thursday. Let me just zoom in a bit. Sharp high move on Thursday, and just Friday started to tail off, and yesterday as well. So you're seeing these gains just starting to roll over. And today we're down on the euro, so nothing too significant, but I'm still of the opinion that this is just a big consolidation range. And just talking earlier, spoke about the dollar index, the Aussie dollar as well, just all these currencies. I think they're in a big wide consolidation range over the last couple of months, and I think euro is playing that out as well. And at some stage, that I think that this resistance sort of that comes in overhead at sort of 10.30 to 10.50, I think will subsequently mean that the euro rally just rolls over again, and that might even be happening at the moment. But still, at the moment, it's nothing too significant. This is the hourly chart, and it's more of a consolidation really than a proper rolling over. It's only 20 pips down on the day. And you've still got this sequence of higher lows. It's all well and good, and you would argue still that you're slightly still in positive configuration on the momentum indicators, although there is these slight but bearish divergences. I will draw in for you. Hold on one sec. Slight bearish divergences that you've got with these highs and lows. You've got the higher high there on the price, but the lower high on the RSI, MACD, and arguably stochastics as well. So that would suggest that you're beginning to be a little bit more cautious with this rally, I think now, just in the last few hours, and that's just started to make me think maybe that this I'm still of the opinion this 109 pivot level is still a force in this chart. I mean, yes, you had a slight poke above it, 109.25, but I still think that it is a resistance band, and even today you've seen that coming in almost to the pip, so 8.99. So on my Reuters chart before the bears came in, before the selling pressure started again. So I think you're still sort of just wondering whether this rally is going to roll over around that pivot level at 109. And I'm not of the belief that I think the euro is going to be going higher. I think this is just a near-term move. I think that ultimately that it could well now be just consolidating in front of this FOMC meeting that we've got on Wednesday. But ultimately, I still see the long-term dollar bull run in play, and that would drag euro dollar lower. Now, technically speaking, we're looking for therefore signs that the rally is running out of steam, and maybe these sort of bearish divergences on these momentum indicators on the hourly chart are beginning to see that running out of steam of this rally. And it'll be interesting to see if that is the case in the next day or so. So just bear that in mind, because obviously you've got a strong run higher on cable at the moment, but euro's not really sort of backed up that run higher. So that is a little bit of a concern for me as well, that euro has been underperforming quite, not significantly, but quite markedly against cable. And the fact is that I think that we could now be in a process of this rally rolling over. So that you got that resistance at 109.25 to play with, and also that pivot level at 109. But yeah, I'm just beginning to think this rally is running out of steam near term, but it could just be a consolidation in front of the FOMC. But I think it could equally be a rally running out of steam. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on euro today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.